Sai Ram, Honorable President of India, Srimati Draupadi Murmu Garu, Honorable Ratnakar Garu, Sathya Sai Seva Trust Managing Trustee, Sri Lokesh Garu, Minister for IT and Human Resource Development, All India President Sathya Sai Seva Organization, Nimish Pandya Garu, respected sisters, brothers, and devotees from India and across the world. It is a matter of deep joy and blessing to stand in the Punya Bhumi of Bhagavan Sri Sathya Sai Baba. This is not just a celebration of the centenary, it is a celebration of a legacy of love, service, and universal peace. Rashtrapati Ji, your own life journey from a humble background to the highest office in our republic is an inspiration for all of us. Your presence today greatly honors every devotee gathered here and across the world, here physically, virtually across the world. That is the greatest contribution from your side for global peace. I really respect your honor. Bhagavan Sai Siddhantam can be explained by love all, serve all, and help ever, hurt never. 5 principles of Satya, Dharma, Shanti, Prema, and Ahimsa. If every individual, every institution, and every nation lives by these principles, then world peace will become a reality. That is the biggest Siddhantam and legacy given to us. I have worked closely with Babaji on many occasions. Some of you are remember today, he used to call all of us Bangaru. That is the popular name he used to call. That is the affection he used to show on us. So many occasions I was very fortunate to have discussions with him about service activities. He has taken up major drinking water projects across Telangana, Andhra, and Tamil Nadu. Such was his resolve to get a drinking water to Anantapuram, Mahabubnagar, and other drought-prone areas. Even he was ready to mortgage his own ashramam, Prashant Nilayam. Once devotees heard of his intention, they came forward in large numbers with donations, and the project became a reality. That is the grace of Sathya Sai Baba. Though the Sathya Sai through the Sathya Sai Central Trust and the allied institutions, Bhagavan created a unique model of service. Free, high-quality, value-based education from primary to PhD. Free world-class health care and doctors-free service. Major drinking water supply projects. voluntary service, Sri Sai Sevakalu. Here I am seeing even devotees. I remember his days of bhajans and preachings here. Same discipline devotees are maintaining. I am very happy about it. Whenever there is a problem, with the inspiration of Baba, they used to go and work with devotion. Even here I have seen all croropatis, their children they used to send to spend some time here to service people. I have seen with my own eyes. Even big business houses send their children to serve ordinary devotees here, serving the devotees by giving plates, by serving, by cleaning. That is the dignity of service he has taught. These free services are all offered without discrimination of caste, creed, religion, or nationality. Now, very good organization, 140 countries, and also branches more than 2,000. Number-wise, only registered 750,000 volunteers. No organization is having this type of strength. Today, we are launching the Sri Satya Sai Tribal Women Healthcare Program. This initiative focuses on delivering health care, both preventive and curative tribal women. This includes providing multi-specialty medical care through telemedicine, medical screening for anemia, breast and cervical cancer, and making clean drinking water available. This is a very, very important initiative. Our tribal sisters are the conscious keepers of our civilization. They live in harmony with nature, but they face some of the worst forms of poverty. When a tribal woman is educated, healthy, and economically independent, an entire community is uplifted. This is not just welfare, it is nation building in the true spirit of Manava Seva is Madhava Seva. That is what he taught for all of us. On this sacred centenary, let us make an oath to advance Bhagavan Siddhantam, Satya Sai Siddhantam. I am telling you, Bhagavan Sai Siddhantam forward to the world. Let every devotee should become an ambassador of peace. Let every home become a center of seva. Let every village and every city, every nation reflect the values of Satya, Dharma, Santi, Prema, and Ahimsa. We should not just follow these 5 values in our daily lives, but take it forward and inspire people across the globe. Baba has left a great product, Sai Siddhantam. If all of us take this as a mission to spread Sai Siddhantam, we will be able to achieve Baba's dream of universal peace and happiness. This is what I am requesting from this Punya Bhumi. Now I am expressing my gratitude to Rashtrapati ji and to all devotees who are all here and who are all on virtually has come across the world for this historic moment where take forward his legacy, Babaji's legacy. That is what I'm requesting all of us. Jai Sai Ram, Jai Sai Ram, Jai Bharat, Jai Telugu Talli. Thank you one and all.
Sai Ram. We thank our Honorable Chief Minister